Good afternoon actually, because it's 12:24 in the afternoon. We are actually preparing because today is the day that we will be going to a surgeon. If you guys remember, I had a video, I think twice. I made two videos, I think so, two or three, and talking about the situation that my daughter has. I mean, like last year, that was August, mag 1 year na rin. Last year, we went to see an oral surgeon kasi po meron po siya irregular teeth na tumutubo sa kanyang soft palate. But nung time na yun, yung asawa ko kasi parang hindi pa siya like sure. Ano ba to? Hindi siya sure. Ano to? Hindi siya sure sa kanilang advice that time. So, we did second opinion. So, another surgeon na naman yung pinuntahan namin just to make sure talaga na we did the right thing for her. Meron silang ginagawa like yung 3D, yung parang nag-CT scan, whatever, na 3D daw yung tawag noon. Hindi ko alam kasi hindi po ako dentist or hindi ako doctor. So, may mga ginagawa silang mga ganon for her. And then, we decided like, this year lang, we decided this is the oral surgeon that we needed for her. This oral surgeon is way more better when it comes to like explaining things, and he's really good. He's really like explaining to us everything, and we were like, we understand way better than the first surgeon. I'm not saying that the first surgeon is not good. It's just like yung explanation lang talaga mas better yung explanation nung second surgeon na we meet. Today is the day. They have to remove her. Dito kasi siya tumubo, guys. Wow, pinakita pa talaga. Doon sa soft palate on top. Yung on top, ngala-ngala. Kung sa Tagalog, tama ba yun? Ngala-ngala ba tawag niyan, guys? Yeah. So, may tumubo na abnormal na teeth. So, kailangan siya tanggalin. And we wanted it removed. That's because it's giving her uncomfortable. Hindi daw siya masakit. But at the same time, every time she eats something na matigas, nagtatouch kasi yung ipin na yun, guys. So, parang nahirapan si Nicole mag-chew or mag-bite. I really am grateful kasi honestly, yung asawa ko talaga, ay iyak na naman ako. I just like imagine kung ito ay nangyari sa Pinas. Like, itong situation ni Nicole. I don't really know kung meron sa Pinas na doctor na nag-specialize ng ganun. Like, surgeon na para sa ngala-ngala sa teeth. Yung ganun ba? Hindi ko alam. Kasi we were living in Oroquieta City and it's very limited when it comes to mga specialty doctors there. So, hindi ko alam kung meron dun. But I'm so grateful na andito kami sa US, sa Texas, guys. Because lahat po ng mga medical attention, medical, whatever, they have so much good doctor here that will really helps whatever you need. So, I'm so grateful. Yung healing process, I don't think it will be easy. Yun po yung sinasabi ng surgeon kasi po, merong patubo, merong pang last na baby teeth yung anak ko, si Nicole, na tutubo pa. And yung tubo noon is parang hindi siya mag-align sa teeth. The reason nga, bakit meron siyang braces, hindi ko to na-explain masyado before. Not because meron siyang one of the yung pinaka main focus or pinaka main reason talaga namin why we decided to get her braces on, that's because yung papalit sa last na baby teeth ni Nicole is tutubo siya sa way far. So, kailangan siya hilain. So, that's why meron siyang braces, guys. Piniprepare lang yung ipin ni Nicole, right? Like, I think 3 months ago na kami nag-start ng braces niya. Every month, meron siyang adjustment. So, para mahila yung papalit. O, diba? Yung explanation. yung ganun, guys. But, again, lahat po ito, hindi ko ito magagawa myself, honestly. And I'm so grateful sa asawa ko. Personally, asawa ko, kasi siya po yung number one talaga na okay, let's do this, whatever kailangan to, this is a must, this needs to be done. So siya po talaga yung like, okay, so I'm so grateful. Sasama si Ashley, so silang tatlo is ready na yung appointment niya is around 1:45, and because it is in College Station, we have to leave around like mga 30 minutes before the appointment kasi yung traffic hindi natin alam. Kailangan na namin umalis, guys. I'll just get something to wear. Mag-chinilas ako. I'm gonna wear sleepers lang. Let's just wear. It's easier if I'm gonna wear sleeper. Hindi talaga ako. Para paspas na mula ka ba? Daddy is in hold. Nasa phone. Kasi hindi ko alam itong asawa ko, guys, mag-school ulit. He wants to go back to college. Show me your outfit today. Yeah, show me your outfit. Okay. From Ukay Ukay Crocs na nabili namin when we went to Arizona. Maganda yan, guys. Crocs, guys, na sleeper. Super comfortable. And Nicole din. Naka-Crocs din si Nicole na sleeper. I like that one. Sana bumili pala ako ng akin. Show me. Nice. And they asked her to just wear comfortable. So, ito lang yung suot niya. Yan. Actually, akin naman yan, guys. Nang-embargo na. Did you wear something underneath? Okay. Yan lang. Kasi dapat comfortable yung susuotin niya. So, she is...
Oh, you like my glitter?
No. No. Ano nangyari sa buhok mo, Day? Na ako'y cellphone, pero wala ko'y ano.
50 fries. Bro?
Yeah, grabe ang init. 98 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Oh. Oh, it says 98.
2 cafe mochas.
2 cafe mochas.
We are in Starbucks.
Is that going to be hot or iced?
Hot.
Did you want to keep the whipped cream?
Whipped cream on one, not on the other.
Okay, and you said grande size?
Venti.
Venti. Alrighty, and what else for you?
That'll do it.
Are you nervous, Nicole? Are you nervous for today? No, nothing. It's nothing for her. She was requesting, guys, that after the surgery, she wants to eat. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat, Nicole?
I don't see that happening.
I don't see that happening. Yeah, because she will be like knocked down. Tulog.
Yeah.
Okay. She will be under anesthesia.
Anesthesia, but they are going to sedate her, so.
Yeah, she'll be like.
But
I'm so amazed with you. You were sedate as well, and you were still like talking.
Zero.
This one. Muranig, ano guys? Are you the hook? Diba people, when you're sedate, you cannot even talk. Yeah, I got my coffee, mocha. We're heading back. Actually, nandun na kami kanina, guys. And then, like, we still have time to kill. Like, 20 minutes. So, that's why we decided to go to Starbucks. Kasi super early. We arrived there sa clinic super early. Like, okay, let's go get something to drink. Super good. We are here. Naguna-una, giinitan. Super hot right now. Okay, there's a phone call again. Hi, Nicole. Nicole, everything that happens today, it's all for your own good. She's not nervous daw. Daw.
Oh, babe.
Smile daw. Ay, same siya colors sa imong clothes. Your rubber.
Pwede ko mag-download of something yung cellphone.
What? She always think about your game. Game. We are waiting for Nicole, guys. And yeah, she's happy. Show me. Because si Daddy, he gave her the tablet. Nagdula ng Roblox. Oh. That was really fast, Nicole. Surgery
Very
is done, guys. So I think that's like 30 minutes of surgery, and it was successful. Thank you, Lord. We just have to like go around because she's awake now. That's what the nurse says. So we have to go there and speak to the surgeon and the assistant nurse for any other things that we need to know. We are done!
Something soft like mashed potato. Yes, or lugaw.
You're not allowed to eat solid food, Nicole. So,
It's okay. Cellphone.
she cannot talk. Here. Ay, thank you, Lord. Thank you, babe. We're heading back home. It's 3 p.m. Lay down like that. We are home. So, since wala kaming soft food, I'm making lugaw. Like, making it sure that it's very, very soft, guys. Kasi she has to eat soft food for 2 days. Yan yung suggestion ng kanyang oral surgeon. So, lugaw, yogurt, anything na very, very soft. Hindi siya pwede kumain ng solid food. So, naglugaw ko and Yashti is requesting to eat the same. So, sabi ko, sige, maglugaw tayo. Masarap to, guys. Nung nasa Pinas kami, yung walang-wala talaga kami sa buhay, ito yung kinakain namin. Pero iba yung sa amin noon. Kasi nung nasa bukid man kami nagpuyo sa una nung we were living in a bukid. So, yung mama ko, buto-buto man. Yung mama ko, iba siya. Magluto siya, guys, ng lugaw pero mais. Or sometimes tinughong, like yung bahaw na mais na luto. Yan yung sasabawan niya ng marami. And nilagyan namin ng asin ay good to go. Yun yung kinakain namin before. Oh. What?
Don't eat a super soft.
Yes. Your sister needs to eat soft. Why? And then mamaya, we will be going to her school. Diba guys, I don't know if I mentioned to you na Yashli has to move to a different school. That's because where we are living now, it's a different, parang different district siya ba, kumbaga. Like before kasi, we were living sa duplex pa yun, and then yung bus niya, pick up siya doon. But now that we're moving sa different, ibang bus naman. So, kailangan niya mag-move kung saan naka-attach yung mismong bus. Ang hirap i-explain. Basta yung bus nila dito, this is what I like as well. Kasi yung bus nila, school bus dito is free. Free. Hindi kami nagbabayad. Well, sabi ng asawa ko, sa taxes namin yan kinaltas. What? Kayo. Ay, may binigay. Ito pala yung mga kailangan gawin. Ito, binigyan kami ng guys. Notes, or how you call this one. Babasahin namin ito yung mga kailangan gawin in case. So, yan. Di man ka dapat nagsigil move. Kaya makakong yung ulo. Di ba yung ako pwede makakong, day? Ibang tupang inibot na yung ipon.
Power bank.
I have my power bank, but i-charge di pag malubat, ha? Here. O, ikaw, day. Uy, dili na mo gana sa power bank na type C na, day. Dili na USB. So, you need the white one. Change kag carsunis or jumper, whatever. Basta ayaw ng skirt. Okay, matubitag school. We need to be decent. Pag-change po ko, no? Kaya pwede na siguro. I'll just wear jacket, then I'll be fine. Tudutuan ko din yung asawa ko ng food kasi 3:41 na, guys. Hindi pa kami nakakain. We haven't eat. Nag-coffee lang kami kanina. That's it. So, did I hit? Okay na itulog. And then this one. And then we'll be fine. Yung rice, meron akong rice. Yung dalawang kids, gusto lang nila is lugaw. 4:47. Kailangan namin umalis, guys. papuntang school ni Ashley para makakuha kami ng kanyang schedule. Kasi yung sinabi ko kaninang umaga, like, their class will start next week na. Yung pasukan dito sa Texas. Late sila compared sa Pinas, no? Iba kasi yung ano nila dito, guys, yung summer time. I think, iba. Sa Pinas kasi, like, starting ng school dyan is like June. But here, August. So, nagbihis ako, nag-change ako kasi school yung pupuntahan namin. And I'm just waiting for my husband kasi si Ashley tapos na rin yun. Maganda yung new school ni Ashley, by the way. Nag-lipstick ako ng konti. Tapos, kumain man ako, guys. So, natanggal yung ating lipstick. But, okay, let's just put something. This is my Pexi Hydra Lip Treat Tempted Lip Balm. Ang haba ng pangalan, no? In shade Nectar. Here. Ang ganda to, guys. Lip balm na may tint. So, magkukulay din yung lips. Pero hindi siya yung pula. Hindi ako pwede sa pula na lips talaga kasi hindi man ako puti. I'm morena. What time are we leaving?
I don't know. 20 minutes?
I thought this is 5.
I thought it was 5:30.
Hala, camera. 5:30 ba yun? Yeah, I forgot. Hindi ba lang? Akala ko 5. Do we need to cover? No, we're fine. Alright, are you ready? Come on, let's go. This is Ashley's school. Malaki. Big school, guys. Bagong school niya. So, malaki siya na school. Second floor. Basta malaki dito kami kahapon eh. Come on! Okay, may ipapakita ako sa inyo. Meron ako additional sa aking mga collection sa roses, guys, na binili ko from College Station. So, ito yung mga rooted na, pero bago. These are all new roses, like different variety of roses that I purchased. Ito parang ililipat ko siya, guys, kasi buhay na to eh. Meron na tong ano, guys. Meron na tong gamot. Meron na tong gamot. Meron na yung roots. This one are all rooted roses na nabili ko. So, this one is the Plum Perfect. Yung pangalan, this one is the Star of Republic. This one is Maggie. This one is the Blue for You Rose. Parang papatay ata to, guys. Hindi ko alam. But then, sabi naman ni Miss Phone sa akin, she can replace it if in case mamatay. Kasi meron ito ata, or ito, yung kulang ng roots. Hindi masyadong nagro-roots pa ba. So, sabi niya sa akin, pag in case mamatay daw, papalitan niya. Anyway, this one is the one that I really like. I wanted it to multiply. Lady of Charlotte. Super. Ay, napakita ko na ata to sa last vlog. And ito naman yung Biggie Martin. So amazing. And then meron na naman tayong additional sa ating tree na binili ko online 5 days ago. This is Maple Autumn Blaze. Ang dami ko na nagastos, guys. Ang laki po ng gastos ko, but then I wanted to have one. So this one is the tree na mag-change ng color into reddish yellow, orangey color yung dahon. When it comes to like pag nag-change ng season, like fall season, ito yung mag-change ng color. So amazing. Ito siya, oh. Yan yung pangalan niya. Kumustahin natin yung ating pasyente, guys. How are you? You wanna eat na? Yeah, dapat mukaon ka. Kaya unya, mga 10. You have to take the medicine again. Around 10. In the evening. Before you sleep. It's okay.
There you go. Pudding.
She doesn't like.
It's very soft.
You're like,
Mashed potatoes.
Oh yeah, I buy that one. Oh, come here. Pag dali na kayo, inom tagtambal ni mo.
Some butter in it. Tastes good.
See? Tapos tulong na dito. Pagkatawa kay Arby ka matukan. Come on.
I'm sure she'll survive.
It's okay.
Before school.
Huh?
Before school, start.
Yeah.
I think go to school.
Before school, you'll be fine. It's already healed. Come here.
Look.